And again, one of the other things, again, it's about using AI. One of the things I recommend all of you is to use AI. Okay? So because AI now is a fact, you should be able to use it. It can help you a lot to save your time, to improve your understanding. But the question is how you can use it. And this is how I believe it looks like. If you just rely on using AI to do the job, this is how it will end up with. Just any junk food you are doing, gaining weight, being in not good shape, and even you are not helping AI. Because AI and the thing, it will give you trash things. So it's a lose-lose situation. You are losing, even you are not training AI in a good way. So all of us is using, okay? But the best thing that I believe is like, use AI as a tool that help you, to guide you to get your goal or to achieve whatever you need. So you should have a goal. You should have a question that you need to answer, okay? If you don't know this question, then AI is not a helpful tool. Just try to understand what exactly you need from AI. If you need something detailed, it will be very good. Okay, and you will see my picture here looking to you and very happy with you. Okay, if you didn't see it, this is my picture, by the way. Okay, so if you know what you want from AI, this will be like the best thing that you need. So again, you must know what you need from AI. I have here one slide. This slide can give you just an idea about why co-creation of this mindset, like your brain is important with AI. If you can like have this collaborative environment between you and AI, you can do like many good things. Because your brain has something that AI cannot do in terms of creativity, critical things, curiosity, all of these things. This is not the strength point of AI. AI is very strong in like learning algorithm, data processing, pattern recognition. So if you know your strength point, the strength point of AI, and like combine these, integrate these together in this co-created like mindset, you can do so many things. You can improve your skills. You can train your brain in a better way. Improve your critical thinking of the like problem solution we have in the course, not only this course, even in all the courses, and save your time in many things. Okay, so here we have some tips. What is the like good ways you can use AI, bad ways you can use AI? Again, relying heavily on AI, this is something can destroy the brain, because if the brain becomes lazy, it will like this approach. Okay, brains like to be motivated to think and do like hard, complex problems. But if you avoid these complex problems, deep thinking in these things, so your brain with time will be affected by these things.